very interesting. The XRT, the ETF that tracks the S&P retail sector, in August, mid-August, made a new 52-week low, traded below the low from December 2018. And I think Mel's point about guidance is going to be a really good one. I mean, like, you may see some decent back-to-school sort of numbers, but you may not see a whole heck of a lot of clarity. Now, some of these stocks, you just mentioned Nordstrom's, it's rallied 50% off of its lows. The XRT, while it's still 20% off its lows, it's still well below its 52-week highs made last year. So to your point about Walmart, I think some of the big box guys have done a lot of the heavy lifting year to date. That's Costco, that's Target, that's Walmart. And then some of the smaller names, we talked about Macy's a little bit last night. Yeah, could those things rally, high short interest, that sort of thing? So I think there'll be some good trading opportunities.
The reach, though, for everything you guys just said, for the laggards, or is it for the winners? So if you want to play longer term, you have to go with Target, Walmart, Costco. You want to play for the short covering? Yeah. Macy's, JWN. But that's it. It's very binary.
I think you see people, I think, bought Walmart regardless of valuation. They looked at it. Listen, the earnings have been fine. I think they were just pouring money into a stock that pays a dividend, seems to be somewhat recession-proof, and that stock won. Now I think people are saying, to BK's point earlier, I think they're saying, wait a second, does this make sense in terms of valuation? I don't think it does, but I don't think it did $15 ago. So in terms of the XRT, real quick, Dan made a good point. But if you look in terms of the XRT quickly, major double bottom at 38.5 that Dan is staring at right now in his little terminal. Yeah. And that's what it's bouncing off of. This will overshoot to the upside. And in my opinion, the overshoot in the XRT is probably 46.5, 47.
Yeah, but if you look at that's the point, is that they've had this run already, right? So you're predisposed to probably sell those. If I'm trading into the numbers going into next week, I'm looking at Macy's, right? Because they've got that high short interest. $15 seems to be decent support on this. So I know what I'm shooting against. And I have the possibility that even if there is bad news, there's going to be some short covering on that bad news, and it might hold it up.